Fresh berries are some of the most delightful, healthy treats in the whole world. They're like nature's candy. However, moisture and mold can sneak in and ruin your whole basket. Stop that from happening, reduce waste, and enjoy your berries for longer with these easy tricks. Some say you should wait to wash your berries until right before you eat them. But for firm berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, a vinegar bath can kill mold spores, save your berries, and keep them fresh. This is no bueno for raspberries, however, which are muy delicada. After tossing out any berries with visible mold spots, combine 3 cups of cold water and 1 cup of white vinegar in a large bowl or salad spinner. Swish around your berries for about a minute and then drain and rinse well with clean, cold water until any hint of vinegar taste or smell disappears. Don't worry, your berries won't taste like salad dressing if you rinse them well enough. Spread out the rinsed berries on a clean cloth or paper towel and pat and roll gently to dry completely. When it comes to storage, you can use the ventilated plastic container your berries came in. Just wash it with soap and hot water and dry thoroughly. Line the container with a dry paper towel and place your berries in the fridge. Make sure to leave the holes in the lid uncovered so air can circulate in the package, and change the paper towel lining when it gets damp. You can use any clean container lined with paper towels, just leave the lid open so any moisture can escape. Use these tips to get the most out of your berries for a very long time.